In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a printer in Windows 10. First, let's go down to the search, and then we're going to search for printers and scanners. Here, under Best Match in the search results, we see the printers and scanners, which is in System Settings. We'll go ahead and click on this search result. Next, we'll go and click Add a Printer or Scanner. First, of course, make sure that you have your printer or scanner turned on. Here, we could see that it located my HP DeskJet 2600 series, which is a wireless printer. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and then I'll click Add Device. Now it's in the process of connecting to the printer. And then I can then click Get App, which will then install the HP application, which will then allow me to do more things with my printer, such as scan documents over to my computer and much more. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Get App button. This opens up the Microsoft Application Store. It went ahead and it located the HP Smart app automatically for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get. After it installs, you can just click Open to open the HP Smart app. We'll click Yes on the little window that pops up for the user account control. We'll click Yes to allow, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click Accept All for the license agreement. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Set Up New Printer. It's doing a search for all the different printers I have on my network. It's located my HP printer, and as you can see, it's online. So after clicking it to add it, it's currently working on adding the printer right now within the HP Smart app. Next, I'm going to click Accept All on the Manage Options for the printing services. Next, I'm going to click Sign In with my HP account. This means that you would have created an HP account, and this is only applicable if you have an HP printer. So if you don't have an HP printer, you can ignore this piece. So I'm going to sign in with my account. I'm going to go ahead and skip the ink savings because I'm not really interested in doing that right now. Now it's giving more information on the HP services, and it automatically told my printer to print, which you can probably hear in the background possibly. And then it'll just ask a few questions, like if you're using it in the home for personal use. I'm going to tell it to auto update any kind of printer software that needs updated. But you can also choose to let it notify you if you want. And then it tells you that you can install software from 123hp.com to print from mobile devices or computers. And now it says that I'm ready to print from this computer. Now, as you can see, now I'm in the printer app. It will allow me to do scanning. I can print documents, print photos. There's a lot of different options I can select in here, and I can also see what my supply levels are. As you can see, it looks like I need to go out and get some ink soon. If you have any questions, please feel free to type your question in the comments section of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you would like to see more tech training videos, please subscribe. If you would also like to just see cute corgi videos, which I post every week, you can also subscribe as well. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.